Guys, it's Iron J Moto, and now met up with the little people over here at the Midwest Minis group, and we're gonna go for a little ride. It's an awesome, diverse group. We got stunt bikes, dirt bikes, Groms, we got sport bikes, cruisers, Harleys, all of that. So this should be a good time. Woo! Getting it in, warming up them tires. I'm gonna find some Groms and roll with them. Woo! Should be fun. Awesome. Woo-hoo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Man, what a perfect date. Everyone's like, all right, calm down. We're like, all right, let's have a safe ride. Everyone be chill, respectful. The moment we get on the road, everyone's revving and hitting their horns. Woo! All packed up in here. Love it. Got a full tank of gas. I'm ready, man. This is awesome. Woo! Little show. Woo! Oh, hitting the wheelies on the 1200 there. There we go. Alright, so that was a pretty interesting trip. I'm gonna cut it here and catch up with these guys.
Where'd they all go?
No idea.
What's he writing? It has the restrictions down there.
Alright, so I just... Oh shit, a fucking deer! Oh shit, a fucking deer! Oh my god, damn! I did. I hit the fucking deer. My bike is fucked. I didn't go down though. Yeah, dude. Yeah? I can't believe I hit a deer. Yo, my shit's fucked. It's spewing coolant. Yeah, I'm fine. What the fuck, dude?
How did you stay on the bike?
I just stayed on it.
Dude, that is crazy, dude. Dude, you're fucking one fall. Yo, turn your electrical off.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yo, is the deer down in the road? Yeah. Oh, I think it's done.
Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? I can't believe I didn't go down.
How did you not go down?
I just braced and fucking, I stood it up and I just braced.
Did you hit the brakes or you just throttled through?
I just throttled through that bitch.
Cut that fucker. Oh, shit.
Holy fucking shit. Yo, I think this bike is fucked. God damn it.
All I saw was spinning deer, man. I'm like, yeah.
Holy shit.
They just hit your bike, not you, right?
I'm fine.
You're fine? I see it in the road. Is it? Let me turn your bike off? Yeah, yeah. Call your, what's her name? Damn it. Yeah.
Sarah?
Yeah, Sarah. Call Sarah and have her, you know, give her your location. Oh my god, I just hit a fucking deer. Because you're going to have to get that bike home somehow.
Yeah, she's going to have to get my truck.
That's what I mean. Call Sarah and have her bring the truck up.
Oh my god.